Hi guys, why are you at home making chapatis where you can be making resin art and make money? Why? Listen, one thing about resin is that it never gets old. Even even in lots of years down the line, this art will still be, let me say it in Spanish, hermosa. Look at that. So beautiful. This is resin flooring and it looks nice. What you need for this, it's just, resin and, a few mixing, hardener and whatnot, color. And so I know the question you're asking me is, Zell, so wow, this looks so nice. Look at that. Isn't this beautiful? Like this in some years to come, you'll still buy this because it's classic. Now let me show you where you can get materials for this so that you can start doing DIY and selling some of these things. Now this is Gaberoni Road. Gaberoni Road iko Nauko Textiles, Nairobi Textiles. So that is Comfort Hotel, and then next to that is Gaberoni Plaza. So when you go inside and first floor, you will find that shop. So if this is something that you've been thinking about, then hello, you're welcome. You're welcome. So these are Sayari Crafters. Very nice, guys. So if there's anything that you need to make that kind of art or just any other kind of art, if you're an artist and you've been looking for such supplies, then look no further. Look, they have everything that you need. Now, that is one of the businesses. I've been doing research about this, and so even on TikTok I've been seeing some of the comments, and I came across one comment. Someone said that this business targets high-end clients. And he looked like he was discouraging people from getting into that. Also, this guy also sells humidifiers. So yeah, that's it. So the shop is shop F10. So yeah, so what I was saying is you cannot disqualify a business because you're saying it requires you to the target market is high end. I mean, come on. Kenya is full of high end customers. Are we not together? Are we together or are we not? Right? Also, he has ring lights. So, this is what you need for such a craft. Okay? You'll need these two. And then you also need color. I don't know so much about it. I know just a little bit. Very, very small. But also, if you're interested in knowing so much, there is Google. So I don't know why you're even spending bundles looking for and searching for things. You can search for this and then you'll be able to get more insight on the same. It's a very good craft. You can make it a hobby, yeah, or a full-time thing. Also, for those who make hanging shelves, such will help you with your hanging shelves. Actually, I also need to get some, so I'll definitely go back. So I just wanted to plug you guys. If you probably was thinking about this and you didn't know where to get the supplies, here you go. All right. So I will tag their page. If you have any questions, they will definitely answer you. Otherwise, ladies and gentlemen, that is what you can do with resin. Beautiful. You have a lovely day ahead. Bye.